The ingredients that you're going to use are water, beans, avocado oil, Monterey Jack cheese, and salt. The tools you will need is one strainer, one pressure cooker with a proper fitting seal, one bean smasher, stirring spoon, one ladle. Select the amount of beans you will be cooking. Add them to your strainer. Rinse properly. About 3 times. Or until you think that your beans are clean. Throw all the water out. Add to the pressure cooker the amount of beans that you will be using. Add water to the pressure cooker. Fill the pressure cooker about 2.5 to 3 inches from the top. Place the cooker back onto the stove. Close the pressure cooker, turn the lock back on it, and make sure that the pressure is set to steam. Turn the stove on to high heat until you hear the pressure cooker start to whistle. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and so we're going to turn the heat back down to medium low and set our timer for 45 minutes. Kids, don't try this at home without a parent. Kids, don't try this at home without a parent. Let the cooker cook on medium low for 45 minutes. At that point, you're going to turn off the fire and let it set. Let all the pressure from the steam go out of it. It's very dangerous to cook with a pressure cooker, so you must be very careful. After 45 minutes, turn the fire off and let all the steam go out. Okay, all the air has gone out of the pressure cooker again. You can tell by the little tab there, the safety valve thing. We're going to move it over to the sink. Carefully unlock the pressure cooker and open it. Set aside the lid. We're going to need some more water in the beans to let them cook the rest of the way. So I'm going to fill this up some more, back up to the 2.5, 3-inch line. Place the lid back on the pressure cooker, lock it back into place, and turn on the safety lock. And turn on the safety lock. Place the pressure cooker back on the stove, turn the heat onto high, and wait for the steam again. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and so we're going to turn the heat back down to medium low and set our timer for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, turn the fire off and let all the steam go out. Okay, all the air has gone out of the pressure cooker again. You can tell by the little tab there, the safety valve thing. So carefully place your pressure cooker in the sink. Unlock the lid, open it, and set the lid aside. As you can see, the beans are perfectly cooked. Now at this point, we're going to move it back over to the stove and salt the beans with 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon or more of avocado oil and mash the beans with your bean smasher to the texture that you would like. I'm going to add Monterey Jack cheese to this recipe, but it is optional. Anywhere from 1/4 of a cup to 3/4 of a cup. Try your beans out and to see if you have enough salt. And smile. Now you can cook your beans in 90 minutes. Enjoy.